Hi guys, today I'll be showing you how to delete Snapchat account. In order to delete your Snapchat account, first of all make sure that your device is up to date or that your application is up to date. If not, head over to your Play Store and then update the application. After you're done updating your application, log in into your Snapchat account. Once you're logged into your Snapchat account, it's going to direct you to the official web page. After that, it's going to direct you to the home page. While you're on this page, tap on the Bitmoji icon from the top left hand side corner. Now while you're on this page, go to the gear icon top right hand side corner. On this page, scroll down a bit and head over to the section of support. Here you need to tap on I need help and it's going to direct you to the help center page. So in order to delete your account, you'll need to go ahead and tap on manage my account or managing my account. After that, scroll down a bit, you'll be able to see delete or deactivate my account. So click on the link and here you need to tap on how do I delete or deactivate my Snapchat account. So here you'll be able to see a list of articles, so you need to directly go ahead and tap on Snapchat account portal. This is going to direct you to the official web page where it's going to delete, where you'll be able to delete your account. So before you delete your account, it's going to take a while. So for 30 days your account is going to be deactivated, and after 30 days your account will be deleted permanently. In order to delete your account, you'll need to re-enter or retype in your password associated with your Snapchat. So type in the password quickly and click on the continue button. Next page there will be some confirmation. If you're sure about deleting your account, then tap on the delete button, and that's how it's going to delete your account. So for 30 days your account is going to be deactivated. After that, it's going to be deleted. So in this way you can delete your Snapchat account. That's it for this video. I hope the video was helpful. If it really helped you, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.